Hi there, students. Invert, to invert. Inverted, an adjective. Invertedly, the adverb. And inversion, the noun. Okay, to invert means to turn upside down. Okay, to invert, to turn it the other way. So you've got that the wrong way round. You need to invert it. Okay, so just to turn around, put the downside up. Yeah, you turn it the other way up. So when you've finished cooking this, take it and invert it onto a cutting board. Okay, so to invert, to turn upside down, to put in the opposite position, to put in the opposite order. Yeah, to turn it about, to turn it around. Okay, and this is the idea of invert, to change the order of the two things. So probably many of you know this word from an inversion, a grammatical inversion. And this is where you change the word order, you change the subject and the auxiliary, you switch them round. So I have never been so insulted, never have I been. Okay, so it's turning something round. Now be careful with this word, those of you who speak Spanish, because this has nothing to do with investment. Okay, it has nothing to do with investing money. Yeah, it's a false friend where it comes to that. Okay, so he used some sort of inverted logic. Okay, you know this egg timer, this thing with sand running through it. Well, you'll have to invert it, and then the sand runs through it again. Okay, so if something is inverted, it's turned round, it's turned upside down, or even inside out. It can be both of them. Okay, and this is the idea of to invert, to reverse. Yeah, to transpose. Yeah. Okay, so invert the way you're looking at it. Yeah, invert, to turn upside down, to turn back to front. Okay, and then this is what we mean by an inversion. Yeah, the inversion of the object will give you what you desire. So I've got a cup of water. To pour it out, I just invert the cup of water. Okay, so this is inverted. Yeah, things are put in the opposite position. Put back to front as well. Okay, so in mathematics, to invert would be to make something its inverse. So if you invert 2, you get a half, 1/2. So it's to reverse the position, to reverse the order of something. Yeah, mathematically the reciprocal of something. Okay, so to invert, to change it to its opposite. It's like the inverse, the opposite, the other way round. Formality, to invert. This is a fairly formal word. I would just say turn upside down informally. I'm going to give it a 6.5 in formality. Use in a semi-formal conversation or above. And then as to origin, it comes directly from French, invertir, which comes from Latin invertere, meaning to from verdere, to turn. Yeah, so you turn it the other way, the other way around. Okay, so inversions. A grammatical inversion, to turn it back to front, the other way round, back to inside out. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. to invert.